Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad where I talk about skin, makeup, hair, anything that will make you look glamorous from within. Anyways, I am super excited for today's video, and that's because I am going to be talking about Derma Co products. Like, it would be my final, like literally final review or final thoughts. It is like the 5 months updated video, so it is gonna be a very quick video which products actually worked on my skin and which product did not show any results in this 5 months. And also I'm going to be saying how to actually add the Derma Co products in your skincare routine, because I have seen many YouTubers who are talking about the Derma Co but they are not actually showing how to add the products in your skincare routine, rather changing your whole skincare routine. I think that's very important, and there is one product that is the star of my whole skincare routine, and that drastically showed results in just 1 month. So yeah, I don't want to waste any more time, and if you don't want to do that mistakes that I did using the Derma Co products, so please make sure you watch the video till the end to see all of it. So yeah, without blabbering, let's just get rolling. So now coming to the first two products that I want to talk about is this two cleansers. This is the Derma Co AHA BHA foaming cleanser, and this is the creamy cleanser. Now these two cleansers are really good, but this cleanser is really good for exfoliating your skin, and as it contains AHA, BHA like mantelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic. If you're a beginner, then it would be a great product for you to exfoliate your dead skin cells, and it's gonna work on your acne as well. So it's a great product. Yes, if you don't use any other acids in your skincare routine, like no other AHA, BHA in your skincare routine, I think this would be a very good cleanser for you. But if you are somebody using any other AHA, BHA, then I would say not to use this cleanser or not to use any AHA BHA cleanser, because including AHA BHA in all of your skincare products can actually sensitize your skin and make your skin way more worse than you can ever imagine. So now coming to this cleanser, I particularly don't like this cleanser because it did not cleanse my skin that much. I have a very oily skin, so it doesn't clean all of your oils. I think this would be very great for those who have dry, irritated and acne prone skin. It would work way more better. And if you have extremely big puzzle acne, like those big acnes you get, hormonal acnes, I think at that time this cleanser would work beautifully for you. But I think for me, I did use this cleanser only in the morning times, because when I used to wake up, I just wanted to wash my face, so I used to use this one. So it just used to take away the excess oils from my face and it just cleansed my face. But for like a thorough clean, I would say it doesn't do that. Next, coming to product that I use in my skincare after I wash my face is this one. This is the Ceramide AHA Intense Moisture for dry skin. No, this is for dry skin, but I like it because it has ceramide and hyaluronic acid to it, and both are really great for your skin, and it provides moisture for the entire day. So I really like using it. I don't use it too much. I just take like a amount, like this much amount, and I just put it all across my face. It has fragrance in it, but I don't feel that much problem with this fragrance product, but it has fragrance in it. But it is a very good moisturizer. It moisturizes my skin and it would be amazing for dry skin people out there. If you are really looking out for a good moisturizer, this would be really good. I, being oily skin, I use it, but a very little amount. It does the job. Next, coming to the serums, I have these two serums over here. This is the 10% niacinamide serum, and this is the vitamin C serum. I have reviewed this two serum previously back on my YouTube channel. If you want, you can surely check it out. It's a detailed review. That this 10% niacinamide, I have this much left, and I used it for around 2.5 months, and it did not work for me. Now why? Because I was breaking out. I don't know what was happening, what was wrong with my skin. I was breaking out really bad. I thought that I was purging, but then it kind of calmed down again. It was like a very confusing state. I just can't explain why I was breaking out. But there was this girl, I will just put her comment over here. She said it really worked for her skin, and she is from acne prone skin, and it worked because she did a patch test for 1 week, and after that she used this product. So if you are somebody who wants to try niacinamide, make sure you do what she said, because I didn't do that. I applied on my skin and I couldn't take this 10%, and it also contains urea and perfume, not fragrance, perfume. So it contains perfume and urea, so it also sensitized my skin a way more, like with 10% niacinamide and urea and like perfume. Like it was way too much for me. I didn't like this product, and also my friends, like my really best friends, they also did not like this product. They have their full bottle and they were like telling me like, I want to give you this product. I said, dude, it didn't work for me, so no point giving me this product. So yeah, it didn't work for me. I'll never purchase this product. So next, coming to the vitamin C serum. So I have used this much of it. I have a little bit left, but I would say one thing, that this one is really good, but it also contains urea and perfume, which also can sensitize your skin over the time. So I won't purchase it in future, but as I have this much left, I'll finish this bottle. Now, have I seen any visible result? It did fade away the dark spots, but it is a very slow process. It's like slow, it's like very slow. It won't show you result in like instant, but I did see some results in like very like recent scars. But the old scars which I had from acne, like the old scars over here, it didn't remove it. So it is taking too much time. I didn't break out with this product, first of all, so I will not say that I don't like this product. I like this product, but I don't want to repurchase it. But it does give me a very good glow. I have vitamin C on my skin right now. You can see I'm looking good, glowy, smooth, moisturized, anything. So this is the AHA BHA gel. Now I will actually show how I used to use this product. I used to use it all across my face, and that was how my skin used to look before, and this is how it looks now, whatever. But now this product is not a leave-on product. Like, you are not supposed to leave this product on your skin for overnight or for the whole day. It is more like a treatment, but for a few minutes, like 10 minutes, just like the ordinary cleaning solution. Because if you keep this product on your skin for a very long time, it will sensitize your skin and make your skin way more worse. You will get way more acne. So don't do that. I did that. I will show the pictures where I got really boiled acne, like the big acne all across here. So don't do that. It might break you out that much. It didn't show the percentage of how much AHA and BHA is there in this product, so it is very confusing also in that rate. So this also didn't show me good result. I got this kind of acne and it has fragrance in it. All the Derma products have fragrance, and I have no idea why, but there is one product which doesn't have fragrance in it and also works like wonders. I'm going to be talking about that in a minute. So now the days where I use AHA BHA in the night, like as a treatment, I make sure I use sunscreen. Even though I am at home, I don't use sunscreen on a daily basis, but I do use sunscreen when I do use AHA BHA, like as a peeling thing or as a mask thing. So I make sure I use sunscreen. This is the Derma Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel in SPF 60. So now just coming to the final star product of my skincare routine is this one. This is the Adapalene Hydrous Benzoyl Peroxide Gel, the formula AC2 product. This is so good. You get 15 grams. Now I use this product only in the night time. I use after washing my face. I use a little bit of moisturizer and then I just use it on top of my skin, just on the active acne, and I think it works wonderful. It has been only 1 month I'm using this product and I have seen drastic change. Like, I don't have any active acne and my scars have reduced to a lot of extent. If you just see a picture over here, like this was my skin before, like when I started using the Derma Dermaco product and this is my skin right now. So this is the blessing to this product because I was not seeing any results using the other products from Dermaco, but this product surely did show me some results, at least some results, and this is way more cheaper than any other Dermaco products. It has no fragrance in it, which I really liked about this product, and it actually showed results. I'm so happy about that. So what I actually do, I take this product. I'm so sorry, there is so much noise today. So I just apply it on this active acne over here like that, as a spot. Again over here, like just like if anywhere I have acne, I kind of like apply on the spots like that, and that's it for my night time. And at the night time, I think this one is my essential because if I have acne, and this vitamin C serum in the alternate days, I use this. I don't change my other skincare products. So if you want to ask what face wash do I use this one. This is the Kaya face wash, and for toner I use this one in the morning. So I use face wash, this toner, then this moisturizer and this sunscreen. That's it for the video, and I hope I really helped you out guys with how to use the product and which products are gonna actually might work for you and what are the ingredients you should know. To like and comment what you think was helpful, and please mention in the comments below if you're having any problems or if you are confused regarding any ingredient or any product from Dermaco. I will answer you in the comments section. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.